Bashment.
Serious officer, no phone anybody on the phone everyone has been but make sure that anyone find out phone that you are talking. Yes, officer. What if you can't tell me this man? Yeah, I'll be getting the phone man. Tell me something. What is that mean, man? Why not call that man for you for the time to go there, man? Every time I can't be nice to me, still I'm not rock with you, sure? That man got the money. I'm sure it's okay, angel. She got something without any hurt. She will be trouble. I like to let me one with good program. You want me to speak? I heard you said. Boy, I think money obvious anyway. Sure. Hey, Judy, where you want to be? You be back for this one. You must send that number to your road. Yeah, good morning. He's on the after that. Come on, drink on the bar, man. Yeah, man. Yes, I want to see you. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, my God. Oh my God, they broke my bar. They broke my bar. Whoa. Watch out. Don't leave out all the bathroom window. All this night I kind of flushing. Oh my God. No. Oh. Watch out. They drink out all the liquor out of the... See, they are careful. All the money they go there draw 100,000. No, man. I'll call the police. Have to call the police. Hello? May I say hello on the phone and ring the same way? Eh? Hello? Yes. Could I speak to 119? Yes, sir. I would like to speak to 119. Oh, you mean you're near 119? Don't you sound it tell? No, so they say. Anytime you want, call 119, I'm in call. Oh, you mean, move. Yes, so your face never gorilla. I can't see your damn face on the phone. Eh? Your name, sir? Well, all right. Put me on to Sergeant 119 then. Them broke my place, man. My bar. Same place I can't trust bro, man, I pay fee. So what? One another vehicle? The two vehicle broke down? Ride your bicycle then! I said them time now until you call when the vehicle broke down. I tell you, see? Man. Oh my God. My cheese, my money cheese. My money cheese. Boy, my money cheese. $12.5 million. I'm never tell Shebada so them thief and gone with me. One and
Don't move! You have the right to remain silent. Anything you...
Oh, dear Savior Jesus.
You have the right to remain silent. Stand up!
Mr. Thief, sir. Let me tell you something, you see?
Turn around.
Me not turn around, you know. Because me no want to see me dead. The last man who seen dead about attack and dead before he died. Look at Mr. Thief, sir. You don't need you. Me call police, me call you.
Where you go with that Bashi?
Mr. Shibby, I have something to you. I see I come inside, I see the bar broke. And about 25 man back up the sun. And everyone have 5 guns. I'm bam, but you can't see me. You know? I like that, eh? I wonder, you know, no man beside me. Yes. You see all the 100,000 when you give me for buy stock, then gone with your 100,000.
No man, 900,000.
You're 100,000.
Wow, my money for the thing to do.
They left them phone. The thief then left them phone.
May I take it from me?
No! Not take it. You know, so you can't catch them. You can't hold them. I'm going to call it, and anybody who wants them, you lock them up.
Wait, that shit a vibrate. You answer it, I'm afraid.
Hello? Yes. This is Sophia. You remember me? Simply say the phone. You're coming from? Hello? 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 The brute hung up the phone. And you never hung up over him.
I want them to have similar sign.
What do you mean?
So we should have buy next one, expand the business like how we are get squeezed up.
Where do you get money from? Your money?
Come to wife a manager one bank, we can't lose her, you know.
You mean Gloria?
They know how much wife him have tell no cute.
Well, you know easy. You're serious?
But she is serious as a deal, me know me a ton sergeant.
You're really serious.
Control the corporal should be over.
Corporal should be over, speak your mind off from all the peace.
You're asked to do a pickup at the airport.
What you say?
I repeat, you're asked to do a pickup at the airport.
Wrong smelly, wrong smelly.
Whatever, you are to pick up a deportee, one Abraham Pilot, a.k.a. Alpha Dog, over.
Over, one Abraham Pilot, a.k.a. Alpha Dog. Then I will get a dog the visa.
Whatever.
Then I oh, she full of whatever so. If I never want to say I tell her which part of my flesh she come tear.
Corporal, I urge that, over.
Volume spoiled.
You're serious. You're serious. No, they're serious. Half a dog. Half a dog. Half a dog.
And you get the call, Bashi?
Hey, when you go pick up half a dog, where you going to read him?
If it's a poodle, me I go give my mother.
Yeah, idiot.
It's a convict that is at the court. Never send you back here. Hey, he's a policeman. I don't know with him. Yeah. Just when you pick up my airport, and you pass the sea, just carry my deep part of the sea, hold him down and drown him. Say him try to escape and hang himself.
They go make you never tell you say that this bite here really Bashi.
Hey, oh, when you get the girl to go up, because you're not staying there.
No, she called me. She's another story by herself. And she called me today and said she don't have no clothes. There's a cheap blouse over here.
So when she come and she have to come and
Relax, about the name of the pressure kill people.
half a dog. You hear from the one trouble him?
And that you for talk about your people them coming like me and there is a dungeon. How about them come and say them are selling that photographs to rehabilitate the woman there. And when we say rehabilitate, you know what I mean? brand, you have night cool every time, and this is girl.
Whatever. We have a crisis at hand.
What is it?
Alpha dog is on the loose. You hear me? Alpha dog is on the loose.
Bash in the pool like that, do a woman again. Here come! Woman boy! She beat you gun!
Where you are here? You know Trevor dumb girl from Kingston? Where you are here? How old you age here? How girl you play? How you take bus? Me know you can't talk, but say just
Me never really dumb, sir. Me just never do the like talk.
Attack, attack. So where you are? You forgot she can't talk now. Where you are there? No Kingston me left you, eh? So how you find him?
I'll come follow the bartending work, sir.
Bartending work? After me not tell nobody nothing, I'm gonna advertise it. How you not spread something me out for? Me want anybody for it? Me tell someone how you hear about that?
Shebada tell me.
Oh, yes. Shebada, they tell me, say, man, are you? All right, sit down, let me interview you.
Boy, you don't know me already, sir.
When me didn't know you, you was a dumb girl. Now that you can talk, he's a different girl. So sit down. You want something to drink?
Well.
Water. Because liquor too expensive.
No.
You can't get no liquor. Which was something for myself. So tell me, you and Trevor still there?
No, sir.
Trevor, you still there?
No, sir.
Trevor call you?
No.
You call Trevor?
No.
You have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, well, that is good for me. You see? Because if I employ you, I don't want nobody call you. Yes, hello, no. And you a liquor. You understand that? Good. Where's the last place you want?
Well, but you got a glitter in school.
Yes, yes.
Then, work on a fast food restaurant for 3 years.
Yes, yes.
Then, I lose the walk.
Yes.
Right after you got prison.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
You see me go a prison? Are you put me a prison? Eh? You didn't in a prison when you said in a prison? Eh? Which part of you said me go a prison?
But even in the newspaper, say I got prison for fraud, sir.
You see me in the newspaper? You see me in the newspaper go a prison for fraud? No, how long you talk to me in the newspaper? How long you talk to me in the newspaper? You see me in the newspaper? I'm a doctor. This interview done. Finish. Over. Chew me door.
Just ask me one more question, sir.
Me say, the interview done. Finish. Over. Chew me door.
Just ask me one more question, sir.
I want to be. Me say, the interview want me to ask you one more question?
Yes, sir.
How long you wait from when you come here?
I don't remember.
You get the work. You get the work.
We get the work?
Eh? Because any you remember, you don't remember how to rob me. Come here. Let me show you what to do. You say that you're coming, always close this behind. You see? I don't know who I follow you. This is the wash area. Your glass and the towels and all that. Good? Listen to me, I don't spend my money to buy expensive bleach. I go down to the hospital and make some leftover Dettol. Understand? No, that is it. You have the top shelf, the middle shelf, and the bottom shelf. There are some people who come inside to buy. I'm going to show you there. You see my friend or something? Anytime him coming, no matter you see him catch boats with him girl or same time, he just show off. Him, bottom shelf. At all times remember him, bottom shelf. You see my friend, he look innocent, middle shelf for him. That brethren over there, so now, let us strike this up. Anytime him coming, top shelf. I'm a brother. Don't wear that cover cap.
It's too tall.
Wear a mini skirt. You understand? I see that stool here. Anytime him coming here, you climb up on the stool. Top shelf, sir. He spend half every cent, don't want to get nothing. Hi. You know my name?
Yeah, your name is Bashment.
Listen, from now on, you don't know my name. You never hear my name, I never see my name. You understand what I say?
Yes, Mr. Bashment.
Listen to me. You say anytime you come inside, anybody walk through that door, you see, and ask you, who you work with, me no know. Who employ you, me no know. Who pay you, me no know. So where you do you, me no know. Why you can't work hard though? The last girl I see, now my eyes pretty as you name Angel. What you name?
The devil.
We're not ready to go ahead here.
So, Mr. Bashment, you know the way I rent around here?
Me not answer. When me say to you? I said what I said to you. When me say we come here?
No.
Me don't know the way I rent. I'm a driver. Me give you a cigarette. Me can't give you matches.
Bashe! Walk on there. Oh, Jesus, Bashe need something hard. Something strong. Hard and strong right now. I'm going to come see. Come, Bashe, right away.
Miss Gloria, you know, since that's serious business.
One now.
You come bend over in front of me. You want something hard. Something. Listen, man. Don't put me in trouble. You see?
Bashe.
You hear me say? And your husband get me out of prison. I'm in a making put me back there.
Bashe, you see him from money?
You know, come last time?
Bashe, I don't know where I'm up to. I've not seen a cent of the money him working.
You're a gentleman.
Bashe, me I tell you, one gin, darling. You're not pretty for me. So you see, you know any whereabouts. Come down, go. What the backside is this? What is that?
What is that?
What is that you just gave me?
What did you have to drink?
What is that?
Tell you to give her a drink and it's a drink me give her.
Right. He said gin. Listen carefully. He said gin.
Watch me more. Me say gin. Watch me good. J-I-N-G-E-R-Y. Gin.
Come back, man. And that's what gin smell doing. Anyway, she knew.
No, man, she's about 9 months now.
Oh, man, you need to show her the ropes.
Let me show the rope she hang herself.
No, but I'm not serious. You don't see me husband.
No, but I know something. I know this what.
No worries. what is happening.
Yes.
But you know me a girl with strong intuition. So anytime you see, me will know because you know what's happening. And you is a woman, my husband have been.
Yes.
And you is a woman. You know what me tap because me not gonna tell you what you're gonna do. But and you is a woman, man, me I tell you, God bless him. Always.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're new around here.
Yeah, we just get to work today.
Let me have a double shot of anything up.
You ever buy that to yourself?
All the way, darling, all the way. It's on the top shelf there.
Oh, top shelf.
Look on the bottom, you see a bottle. My mistake, darling. See there, the last one that in there. See there? Hi, darling. Mind a pies or somebody here? When we saw you. Hello? I'm down by the courthouse pursuing a murder case. Woman, I said I'm down by the courthouse and I rest my case.
Now for a lawyer, why is a damn liar?
I'm not a liar, I'm a lawyer. And as a lawyer, I have to exercise some sense of security.
My God.
Suppose somebody else calling.
You saw the caller's ID?
I did not see the caller's ID.
You always look at the caller's ID.
I did not see the caller's ID. I suppose somebody TV your phone.
How?
What do you mean how?
I just left the house. How? How?
I'm one of them nasty people, man.
You're the wife of a lawyer and a bank at that.
So what?
You should understand the risks more than most people.
So what?
What do you mean, so what?
Don't talk to me like that, man. Don't do it. I'm out of order. Don't do it.
She aggressive here? Sorry, you want something?
Hey, no, darling. No, you're full of...
All right,
Take your backside and go back, son. You came already and he said he didn't want anything. Where are you going again? Go, someone!
All right, stop it now.
Out of order!
Stop it!
Go, stop!
I said stop
Look
it!
here,
Why are you behaving like that?
I don't want you to talk to me in the middle before something go bar fly, you know. Don't do it!
You know, that is why doctors marry doctor and thief marry thief. When birds are not of the same feather, the flag is lopsided.
And that is why old people must marry to old people! If you weren't so old and up in age, I would introduce you to a real profession. Give me a gin, please.
In a country where crime and violence is the #1 industry, what better profession to have than to be a criminal lawyer?
What day is today, Bertram?
Oh, that's for foolish.
No, what day is today? I'm talking to you. What day is today?
The day in front of yesterday and behind tomorrow.
Oh, what anniversary, Bertram. Oh, what anniversary.
Them I don't know. Oh, anniversary was yesterday. It's tomorrow. Then almost today.
My God. Oh, what anniversary. And you didn't remember.
Oh, God.
Imagine I went ahead and booked one of the finest hotels there is in Kingston. You told me you wanted dancing girls. I went and I got 5 because I know you're freaky. You told me you wanted cheesecake. A cheesecake is at the house waiting on you. Bertram, you told me, darling, get me a
sleep on your clothes.
Suppose your wife did broke my shoulder. Where that tell me? Say, tell the truth. Where that tell me?
From when our friend come down to the yard, come to the house, she see me I got my ex-wife yard. A pure word in the house.
A lie. I don't really have one birch, I mean, I look good. You know, so the woman I get mad when the kid got the pet.
Why you not arrest her? She went kill her son, you don't you one day.
And that's not a problem. When you start making like money, I don't marry too quick or wait too long, that's she gonna know, God.
Which category mean? Too quick or too old?
All of the above. Anyway, I'm not come for fast in business. We just come for the case that one, yeah. How did I go mad, you?
What kind of case?
All Jackie, you know.
Oh no, me never that.
I was the mackerel and dumpling liar, yeah. Remember, say, yeah, GL get to life, we not get a case in a name. Sit down.
How much?
Well, them family, them have money, so I want 35% from what you are going to make.
35%?
And don't make me raise it like your voice.
Any day then lock your fake stash and we'll be there, paste there my life. You're like a nasty nation.
And now one more day, your season just done. Ho, 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 ho. Where you put about this up? You just know man, you're too nasty. Everything hides in the house. Everything in the house that's up on the ground like a China you come from. Don't do it, man. You're too nasty, man. That's what the whole of your chick up on the counter. Don't like it, man.
My friend, me have met Vicky, yeah.
Alive! That's it, man.
Man in a one piece of argument. I'm being nothing this up here, yeah. Tracy.
I didn't make that. Carry that clean and then beat you. But tell you, say your argument them all days and them coming like batsmen, kid Craigel. Get up to the end, man. I look how you perk me up a while ago. I like them something, I do them something, man. I'm friend or so. So you like down here, bro?
Yeah, I love the little work.
I said, yeah, I'm down here, I'm a Jesus, mommy can't shut the people down here now. And yeah, go to my man, 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 so my man, yeah, don't know you pop up. Hey, to all your popping on my man, feel like hard drive and you're the virus. But could I find your phone number?
Hey, then how you get it?
No, you meet him, call your man, answer the phone, and say, my happy son. No, you need to make call and your man answer the phone. Your man. Your mate. Pamela lose armor. Your body, your man, so. Your man never said, why I take back the girl? I don't know what beating me in you here. Oh, Lord. Mama.
No, man.
Oh, man, shall I no, but look how much things to do for that man there. Sell your bed, sleep on the front, catch cold in the ears. Now we kill this guy. Wickedness, dirtiness. Oh, God, poor thing. That's why I'm always telling her, take good man, take man with manual. Read as you go along. I want you, I don't want you, you stay. But not freak, I said, don't you so full of man. Yeah, you ever get man till you're blue?
I know some of us, but don't say not one man don't you what I like.
This serious. What you say about that?
I don't see no man don't you what I like.
Oh, that can get serious. What you say about that?
I don't see no
It
man.
blows a proportion. Turn on. Turn on, quick now, turn on. You want one new battery, your vision are gone. What you mean you see no man?
I don't
I have big pineapple blouse that trying to people let me know.
So you give me that blouse, yeah?
For we come down, me never give for working. I couldn't set you up something in a 9-9.
My friend. Yeah, your friend now.
I use it for that name.
Yeah, your friend begging about you now.
Let it go now.
To me.
Me not mean me could have lose my life feet. I don't do me that patrolling a one boy I get it from a woman and she turn in my face about I said, come out to my face and look for the defenders of the earth. She never know say me didn't want to grab the bag in about the boy first meet. Hurt me. Hurt me. But never mind. Me no wise. Me just go to the corner for the thief. Them always come and lay away till my one see my one come and them say thief and thief God la. Me say God brace yourself. I say bend the corner so me just come so. Sway! Drop and we'll go.
Yeah, and then after drop what?
And then lay down and go.
Then what happened? Him jump your dog.
I just want to give me right there. I threw me the quint. Me never twin me that see when man come. Pass me to the boy, chat too much. Chat too much. How much beer you get and I just one thump me there. Let me tell you how this work now. You see the big book? Look here. The big book of the government, I now work for him to the kind of pay bills. See one yeah? Your book I eat by your ear, your blouse, your shorts, your slippers, and it can make you smell good. You smell rhymy, man. You pass me a while ago, I think it was a lime tree. When you see this more, you respect it. It's a morning ticket book. Hey. Let me get some Bible book for you. A morning ticket book.
Morning ticket book.
Not like that. When you book again, I'm in the upset. Come on, show your teeth and we get a man with a house span. Come.
Morning ticket book.
But now I stay with you because you love mix up too much. I go up on the road, right now, go see for fitness, no right and insurance. Oh, I want a shoes. You want nothing?
No, I don't want nothing.
She not hear what I'm saying now. You want nothing?
But some don't want nothing, man.
You know how you man want some married and second down with for use, abuse, refuse and set aside.
Sure.
Yeah, young girl, no in your vocabulary. Every man you see for the body. You love take shoe after now. And that's why gas take him the last time and I have to pump it out everybody when you work in Mexico. You remember more when you drive on when you don't give half I don't say easy. Don't do them something again. And then you drive on with money, you see 5 minutes pass and then no make no half. Comes up, yo! Me not in this time, you know. You not live for me because I know who must scorpion and you make can't put on your weight. Last year, me did big and fat, them have to ask me this year if they sleep on nail. Don't do it again, man. Don't make you say no out of your mouth again. You hear what I'm saying? Where's that going to go work extra hard because my fridge doesn't have no grocery? Your fridge having grocery, my friend? You don't want no grocery?
No, Mama, so I just buy something.
Oh, Jesus, she's not learning. She's not getting back.
Hi.
How are you?
Well, I'm a customer.
Customer.
I would like a bottle of the best cognac you have.
Cognac. I don't think we're selling something there.
You see that bottle on the left? That is cognac. I need it on the rocks.
Oh, top chef. Alright.
Nice place you got here. You own it?
No, I'm only working here.
So why is it a nice girl like you working in a bar?
Yeah, sure, I earned some money to go back to school.
You know I'm a tourist from New York. I was born in Jamaica, and from time to time I visit as a tourist. I just love Montego Bay.
I come from Kingston, I love my bed too.
So you're telling me that both of us are tourists, technically speaking?
Yes! And see the two men that will own this place, y'all. The two of them come from Kingston too.
You don't say. So you're telling me that this place is in a tourist town, where the customer, the owner, and the worker... Are you okay? You're hungry?
Yeah. Tongs. And you is a nice story. You look good here.
You're supposed to make good deal for me. Come here, tell the boy, please.
Well, the bird said the other way. I fertilize with the customer.
No, fuck nobody, sir.
So we had over here, sir. You're supposed to over there, sir.
Sorry about that, you see. She's new and she does not know the protocol.
Well, actually, she's doing fine. Because I've been to other bars, but it was the charm of your bartender that caused me to purchase the most expensive bottle of liquor.
How would you say that one? I'm $45,000 for that, you know.
$45,000?
Shut him out. You don't know the price.
I know the price, Mr. Bashment.
Yeah?
Mr. Bashment. You're Mr. Bashment.
You know me?
No. I think I read about you in the papers.
I the same thing, but I
Shut up! So what are you here?
Call me Christopher.
As Columbus.
Absolutely. Because I just discovered your name. Nice name. And I just discovered you own this place. Nice place. Nice meeting the boss.
Alright, Columbus, you know, discover the honey for me. I can't deal with you now, I'm busy.
Okay, Mr. Bashment, I know we will meet again.
No, we don't meet again.
You sure you don't want to drink with the customer?
If I want a drink, I pour myself a drink from the bar.
So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Baba Lisa.
How long have you been working here?
Well, me I'm working for about 2 years now, yeah.
So you're supposed to know a thing or two about this place.
Yeah.
Can you say if this place is up for sale?
Well, I don't really know. I can't find out for you.
Listen, I need you to do that. Because if it is, I could buy it and you could manage it. You know you're a nice girl.
Yeah.
It shows in your eyes. Give me a call after leaving work.
No phone.
Buy yourself a phone.
This camera no. No, I want that very. I know some enough nothing for you to come and work. I'm going to walk on black slippers from you have a black top. I'm a nails I don't want to come and can't serve the customer them so. You want to eat?
Do you know the difference between Christopher Columbus and me?
No, I never study history.
Well, Christopher Columbus come looking for what is not his. I'm here looking for what is mine.
Oh, me?
Tell me, is this how Mr. Bashman treat you?
Yeah, I'm the old man.
Listen, don't let anyone treat you less than your worth. Because what is yours is yours. Okay? You know, I'm here looking for a lady with a bad heart. Can you say if you've ever seen anyone like that around here?
So why you ask me? Me not deal with people with bad hearts, or them are dirty people. When the money walk up mix me, I just get the liquor.
You know, I think I'll take you back to New York with me.
I never go pregnant and I'm over now.
Hello? No. 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 Yes. Okay.
How that?
She jealous.
Me not in it here too early, me not in it.
Listen, you can sell the remainder of that and keep the cash, okay? Well, I'm a tourist from New York.
You're a tourist. I'm a tourist too. I'm looking for Mr. Bashment.
Well, now, Mr. Bashman just went inside that room.
Oh, you're an informer. You know, I have to see Mr. Bashment.
But lady, you can't ask them something, you know.
Speak when you're spoken to.
Oh my God.
I must see Mr. Bashment.
You don't know nothing about him. That's what I'm telling you, lady.
Speak when you're spoken to. I'm Miss B's sister.
Miss B's not dead.
Speak when you're spoken to. My name is Tina. You can call me Turner.
Well, I'm not really here to see Mr. Bashman.
Oh,
I'm looking for a lady with a bad heart.
a bad heart? By any chance you could be half a dog?
Does it seem like the word half applies to me in any way?
Oh no, it seems the word full dog applies to you anyway. You know, I like to stay here and chit chat with you, but I gotta roll. Hang on. Oh, if that boy the half a dog, we don't need bashment. But it's one thing to say, him now get this place from me. Oh, I'll finish this. You watch Johnny. Oh. Him can't get this place from me.
Driva that he would poof one can and say go to the boy. So the height of wickedness starts. I can't wait for him to kick buckets.
I serve for you.
Not serve for me, I have too much work. That serve for all you look. That's wicked.
He's really terrible.
Yeah, very terrible, but probably will have mercy upon you based on how him wicked and you ugly. Yeah, perfect combo. So lady, you can ask that question. Between me and them, the grandchildren for send gas school and chimney for wash out and them something. You come and bar and sit down away from man. If you did see me move my granny and beat you and beat you. You're big and old and ugly. I like you this morning. Now go make the bar still. something going. Tell about that by your head, they look like you have cancer.
So I say cheap back here. Hey yo, I under some serious disguise here. Serious. Nobody now get this from me. Me work too hard for this. You hear me say, Trevor put me through hell, me go to prison for this. Somebody can't come take it from me. I'm a driver before anybody get it. I'm going to send it.
No, no do that. Me I'm begging, not do that. Me man know the bad boy come for kill you.
Well, look this. Whether half a dog, 3/4 dog, or full dog, him now get this. You hear me say? Because where bones are not provided, no dogs are invited. I mean,
oh Jesus. Me not to this place no good already, man. Look at your total do ball there.
I want you for the light to cut off.
What the fuck cut off the light? But she will always appear with bail.
Light bill coming up. Light bill come.
Yeah?
Hey, $2 million.
No, but she not do that. But we are born for $2 million.
How that me I say too?
You know, say get a dream boy, yo.
Yeah, go for the flash. I want that. That is all I want, yeah.
You here carrying us to the airport where work is a plane, go park.
Alright, now let's see if I find the flashlight.
Can't stomach him, him back broad like shooter. My man is sick, me really bad man. I must rub him though.
Man, I find the flashlight. See the flashlight?
You don't know for 20 times. One man outside that threat me say, him a go shoot me. You can go see if him gonna be bullet and come back.
You follow you?
Yeah, follow me. Go on first, them say age before beauty. Alright. Yeah, Bashi, go on.
You see me? Stay close to me.
Yeah, me there close. Closer than you think.
Alright. Me not the harm, I'm in over fight. Just Shibi? Shibi? Shibi?
Yeah.
How we are around it?
Me did I repent. What's your Ramsey?
You get there one before you get one.
What's wrong?
Go on, man. You're brave.
No. Me not bother one ton sergeant.
Shibi, you can't hold it down somewhere.
Yeah, yourself, man. Just send me every time.
What
You can't stop it, man, that shit. You're the devil ass whip.
But you can't hold the guns here for what's here. You could have shut off your leg.
Suppose I don't and see I want it. May I give him?
Yeah. How you think you ain't government gun? Listen. Just hold the gun, so. And anything you see move, shoot. Me follow.
I set up my life, them I shoot, me not.
All right, she be there. She be, you save me dead? Bank my money in my name.
Outside, quiet, no.
Call and ask of them.
Yeah, idiot, where you talk about car go?
Be brave. No bad, be brave. Be brave. Be brave. Yes.
You understand?
Everything you say, I understand.
What me say?
Me no know.
Hey!
Oh, you feel?
Nervous.
No, go come up with that plan. Me take it up and you take it back home.
No. Me take tab, you take the baton.
No man, me take it up and you take it back home.
No, sir. Me take tab, you take the baton.
Me not play that me first, so me take it up and you take it back home.
Me take tab, you take the baton.
Stop it, man, you're old man, if you take back home. You see that egg? Me not see no food, suppose you have so somebody.
Suppose a dopey.
Don't say so, you're idiot. You see me can't fight dopey. Let one use them a dopey woman, you go.
I am up with a plan. Hear me? You see like how you have the gun? Just put the gun on rapid fire and just bust out there and start shooting.
Put this man rapid and go there. Yeah, come to. So I put this man rapid, let me alone say, put the face man rapid. No, too much rapid.
Mr. Bashment?
Hello.
I'm here in the meeting, sir.
You reached already?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just pour something from the bottom shelf.
Pour myself a drink.
Yes, pour yourself a drink.
Thank you.
Why you tell us I miss Chucky?
Mr. Bashment?
Yes?
I've not seen my drink at all. My drink is on the middle shelf.
Alright, go ahead, Mr. Jello.
All right, thank you.
When Chucky was here and I helped me, imagine Shebada send the police and I put gun on their hand, damn fool.
Mr. Bashment, hurry though. Have another meeting. Have another meeting, sir.
Alright. Why I tell you, see? No, I never see nothing so. I never see anything like this. Huh? You can't have gun. I'm gonna shoot after you put your hand, damn fool. Yes. We're there.
Okay, Mr. Bashment, sorry to be rushing you.
Yes.
Just that I have another meeting, all right, darling?
Me understand.
Okay.
Hospital said I go borrow some money to fix up the place.
All right.
Call me pension list, some have set it straight.
No, if our credit union,
Yes.
Mr. Bashment, you're wearing lipstick, sir.
How are you, man? I'm not wearing lipstick. You see me? What do you think,
Mr.
sir?
Bashment, you're wearing lipstick.
Me rotted. Alright. Other woman, what is that pink? Don't come back on me. Don't come.
Mr.
She gonna come hold me down here.
Next time you need to be very aware.
Yeah.
All right. Now, if our credit union is going to be lending you all this money you're asking,
Yes.
you will have to put in place public liability insurance.
Me not going to public life. Me not do that.
What happened?
Going to public liability.
Mr. Bashment, no.
Me not going to public liability. Me not doing it.
Mr. Bashment, it simply means, just in case someone gets injured on premises, your insurance will deal with the liabilities.
Insurance deal with liar too?
Mr. Bashment. Okay, when you get in office tomorrow morning, I'll explain everything, all right?
All right.
But I like the plan. It looks good.
You like it?
Looks very good. I see where you have month-end parties.
Yes.
You're going to be having Dominoes?
Yes, dominoes.
Karaoke?
Karaoke.
But this one, Mr. Bashman, I don't know this one.
Which one?
Skirpy-lurpy.
Oh,
What's that?
Skirpy-lurpy.
Skirpy.
Trevor didn't invent that before he go to prison.
Yeah? So what does that entail?
Every Tuesday night, you have something fishy. The girls them come on and we eat them fish.
Mr. Bashman?
The eating of fish.
I still don't understand. So what you're saying, on a Tuesday night,
Yes.
we come with our fish,
Yes.
we place it on the grill,
Yes.
and we eat it.
No, not we eat it. Me eat it.
But Mr. Bashman, I still don't understand.
What do you mean?
Now, if you eat my fish,
Yes.
there won't be any fish for me to eat.
Oh, you must not eat the fish.
What will I eat?
What you going to eat?
Yes.
Sausage.
Mr. Bashman. Okay, so, all right. So why don't you have a combo night where you have fish and chicken combo or fish and sausage combo?
Oh, fish and sausage. You like it? The combo. The eating of sausage and fish. All right. Yeah, you're from next week. Here, sausage and fish eating.
Well, as I said, the proposal looks pretty good.
You like it?
So tomorrow morning you get in office, we do the paperwork, and you're good to go.
So I get the
Your
check.
check will be ready.
All right.
How about that?
I like that.
So I see you tomorrow.
Yes.
In office, all right?
Yes.
I'll be there for 9, all right?
Yes. There's one thing you can't understand.
What's that, Mr. Bashman?
Me have my money. Right? I'm going to improve my place and I'm going to borrow your
No,
money.
let me tell you something. Some of the richest people in the world borrow money to do business. Just one thing though, Mr. Bashman.
Yes, yes.
Whatever happens, never let me down.
No, I'm not let you know.
Mr. Bashman, I am going out on a limb for you guys.
Yes.
Don't let me down.
No, I'm never saying that.
Make sure the payment or the payment is always on time.
I will do that.
Mr. Bashman.
Yeah,
No,
just-
I'm depending on you now.
Yeah, because you go up on a limb and I don't want to broke off with you.
All right. Well, that's correct. So I see you in office tomorrow morning at 9?
Right.
All
Can I
right.
ask you a question?
Go ahead, man. No problem.
Well, Mr. Mom, I like interfering with your business.
What happened?
I'm not the fast. Oh, your husband, I guess.
Ah, my husband, we're just not getting on, you know. But you know, we ladies, we just have to teach you men a lesson.
Why do I understand your husband? He is a lawyer, a Tony at law. A very educated man.
I thought so too, Mr. Bashman, but you know, we just never know and just never stop learning. But that's
All right.
right. But Mr. Bashman,
Yes.
I'll see you in office tomorrow morning.
Yes.
And I'll definitely take you up on your offer. The scalpel everything.
Yes.
I will walk with my fish.
Yes. Walk with your fish. Then if you can walk with your fish. No, man. I don't think this is. Me don't want to start again. Hi. Oh, you just coming to work, eh?
But tell Shebada say me I come in late.
But she might never tell me nothing.
Well, that's a communication problem between you and him.
I notice, you know, from the other day, your fruits them get ripe. Them a drop off now.
Trying to make none of them lick you.
What's it?
Hi! You forgot say, I'm still up here, you?
Aye! You forgot to say the money where you pay me, but take it by credit put from my phone. One jack money can work. Furthermore, when all girl come look for you one day, yeah.
What she look like?
Like a trailer trash all the time.
No, you know, say you can't stay. No, you know that. You can't stay. Pack your things at Amadaga. You're fired. Leave the place. You're fired.
I was going to examine that show, but not call me and text me. I was
Your friend get fired.
She thief something no see the girl and then affair. Hey girl, jump. Jump!
No teeth, no.
I don't talk to you, jump. Me not satisfied either, shake. But she not to drop the girl clean.
Wait, I don't understand. Hi, PLN, you're fired John McCain style.
You know I'm going to leave for the place.
No. When me tell me the bomb out, and my friend that I'm a session now run away.
Yeah.
Hillary, you can work Obama style.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. What do you mean? When you give the little girl for Bashi, you know you're miserable, you're coming like tambourine tree. Come here. I see where the man are fire. Oh, your steps on you. Eh? You're eating. Come here, look here. We never teach the outfit the girl. Where you get it from? Oh, where you get it from? Oh yeah, we kid me so. You couldn't tell me say you're fine, man.
I'm going to tell you.
Oh well, no. So you love him?
Yeah.
You love you too?
Yeah.
Oh God. Baba.
Yeah.
You look like we'd spend by you?
Yeah.
Where your friend? That's my them too far.
Yeah.
Can you give your money?
Yeah.
What is my money?
Yeah.
Oh Lord! Girl! Hey, me I come from my share, come and I rent you for free. Yeah, you can't come off of my bed now. I come like when young girls step up, man. Young girls come. Sorry. For God saying I like the word young. But it's not our fault you're born quick and all now. You couldn't wait, bowing. Look on the little girl, man. I jump and just sit on the rim and show me a whole lot of shape. And you put on a jumper, there's a shape like water.
You know easy. Anyhow, one thing on our station.
Them say me involved in a shooting, make them lie.
Who you can shoot?
And that me a try to figure out right now.
Oh, no.
Wait.
Yeah.
What one council?
But alright, bam bam bigelow. Every time we see you, we see nastiness, so we just feel like disinfectant.
You go out now.
You not get the papers?
Which papers?
Divorce.
My wife and divorce me.
What's new?
Your wife and divorce?
I mean, I don't want to serve it in that open for me, no. But show me the like nastiness and then where you want to like, Jesus, just come to
Alright. But what's your other?
Oh, Gloria. I'm my wife.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jerry Spring Alive. I'm your host, Dimmy Shitty.
Good afternoon, corporate. Good afternoon. Can you call my husband for me, please?
I don't have any credits.
Corporate, have you seen my husband?
Lady, man, not store husband, don't do that, man.
Isn't that his car on the outside?
Lord Jesus, I hear a man, you're supposed to know all them assets. Don't do that.
Alright, have all evening, I'll sit and wait. Have all evening. My God, I don't understand. Is this the way policemen speak to people? Police force has gone to the dogs. I came inside the place. I asked the policeman a simple question, and this is how you talk to someone, sir?
Father.
God of grace.
Hold
Give me a gin, please. My God, you guys need a crash course in how to deal with people, customer relations.
Lady, me I beg you down now. Me I beg you come off from my back.
No, this is not how policemen speak to people, and that is what I want you to know.
No, me talk to anybody in all.
When I do business, I came in as a person. You need to deal with me with respect.
Me have to deal with you, lady.
My God.
Yeah, when me and you come from far, we used to take PE.
You know, honestly, you sick my stomach.
Then you should have walked with your angels. I'm a seminar of answer you. Me not have to answer you.
Don't respect your uniform.
A materialist, you lady. Babalita. No, she come in and she question me.
Yeah.
Me not feel like for answer. I have answer.
No.
And then she want to read my diary. Me not write on paper. I want to steal. She want to get up in her mind, makeup, and I realize that she's not the powerful one.
And whenever I leave here, I'm going to go straight to the commissioner's office and I'm going to report you.
We have it all.
I said I'm going to report you.
Hurry up! Ready to go!
I'm disgusting.
Me don't know what we're in. This woman will run down our man and they're not athlete. You understand what I mean?
Nothing is wrong.
That hurt me. She come in here with that overnight problem. I come over and them out a relationship.
Don't worry about
I want to it for me.
You don't worry about that. That's my business.
I was a long time stay big woman, you know.
Let me tell you something. I notice you. You always talk about old. But you see the rate at which you're going, I need for you to know. The rate at which you're going, you will never live to see my age.
Any day see my skin a wrinkle like you with a drop your bucket of oil of a lane. Me don't know who I do you. I want really do you.
You need
What
to
wrong with
take
you?
a good look at yourself, and that is what you need to do.
Me I wonder sometimes if there's an antique store, like I want this all-time center table.
You will never live to see my age, and I need for you to take a note of that. And I rest my case.
You're supposed to rest it a black and white here way. Right, and then put things to rest. Where me and you go?
Come in, man.
How are
No respect. So
talk aloud, she can't lick you, my dear. Say that.
Come in, man.
Remember me, your friend, and she can't lick you.
Come in, man.
Lad, you're determined. How are you? She must have. How are you?
Over Baghdad.
Where you ask me about you see me on one trip?
Over Baghdad.
Man, bad. Give me that bathroom. Don't do more. No, me I go and do it. You're too much now, man. Me say you go in the bathroom for me.
get out of here!
No. Baba.
Yeah.
You like me Israel bag? And Israel, my buy it, you know what I mean? Israel.
Look here. What's the significance of this bag?
Look here, don't give me a one time. My job is to serve, protect, and inform. Me not serve and protect and inform.
And you're no. You are now contradicting yourself. When I came in, I asked for information. You told me you were not a liberty.
No, me did that for my lunchtime. Don't do that.
Well, sir, next time you buy the bag in Jerusalem.
Especially class, she didn't know she can't. So me never try.
Give me another drink, please.
My job is done here.
Open the bag, oh friend. Open the bag.
Mama, you know what you can't think you got no. Come and buy the bag, I don't want to look into it. How about this, Baba?
Oh, what that?
Israel so old and I use condom. No, man, this is not right. Israel and rock out.
Freaky.
What you say?
Freaky, you heard me.
You don't see freak yet. You don't see freak yet. You're wrong! Stand up in the night till daylight!
No, friend, we love the mountain. God, we love the mountain.
Loveless,
What you want, lady?
have you seen my husband?
Who's your husband, man?
Santa Claus. The man you're servicing.
Oh, we didn't want
Or
mama.
the man you want to service.
Hi, CNN.
BBC. JBC.
You see anybody other from us in the inside?
I want to you.
He might tell you to say no, yeah, idiot.
Oh my God.
Hey, may I ask you a question?
No.
So you ask questions, so you're in, boy?
Peace be unto you.
Peace be unto you too, young man.
May I ask what the lovely lady is having?
Oh, I'm having something hard.
You are unbuckling your head back. I want this man.
Shut up, your mom!
Serve the lady whatever she's having.
Oh, I'm having gin.
Any of you fellas care for a drink?
Me not thirsty.
Bashi and Lodi.
No, for policeman, you licky.
No, man, you're going to can't drink off the bar, you want help.
Let me have a double Hennessy, please.
Triple my Hennessy, please.
You don't even know the man's pocket, and this is how you ask.
You never make him know, I'm not teaching my lesson.
You know, I'm here looking for a lady with a bad heart.
Look no further, see on y'all.
No. The lady I'm looking for is so rich. She's so damn rich, she could buy herself a new house.
Oh, that must be Mrs. Pinedo.
I want him so.
She's up in Beverly Hills.
Suppose the man is a journalist, you know, I'm going to newspaper.
Why would I want to do that?
I don't know, I don't get viewed.
No, mama.
Wait! This what happened is big here, girl.
Baba, you know, the woman I done you, big hair. Hello, sir. Are you a journalist?
No, I'm not a journalist.
firing her.
Yeah, come on, firing.
Word like your girl, me not chat to her. How would I get him, man? I would right here.
No more shoemaker. I'm not pure leather like nothing.
The woman strike twice. Hello, are you anybody?
No.
Word I hear, big ear girl.
So much people cannot tell like by your ear. You push jobs?
No.
You know, see me go thump back here.
What is it you know about me?
Don't do that. You don't know me, I don't know you. When you talk to me, the skin of your nose also come back. No, until the nose will not feel like young donkey warrior. When you see me and the man back, Mr. Bashir,
You come inside. Right?
right.
You stand up inside. Right?
Right.
The policeman asks you a question. Right?
Right.
All you have to do is answer. Right?
Look at that, you say you're a police. You're nothing but a police.
You know you're a brave
Look
man.
at what is happening.
But one of these days, your bravery will come to nothing.
Go and attack the man. Go and be in yourself.
You
say you're a policeman.
Bashir, I dream him. No, tell the truth, I dream.
I dream.
Suppose me didn't see when him dream. Like 1 minute, see me kid rest here. You don't respect police. You don't see me strive. To make in a bar, you think me a red stripe.
I'm me. Me and Mark are down.
I'm not afraid, no. Me not afraid of no man. You could have bounty cards and no man have Linda. No,
What did you just say? You never talk? Yeah. Well, I don't want to be now.
Aye, come, give me things, man. Give me my things.
so we can't go on, so. I'm just simply by yourself.
You go down, thief, man. You think I bite, I mean?
How my case look?
The people them say run on the man and shoot him in a cold blood.
Tell them not to no lie, Pam, because I'm not shoot nobody from my join this force.
And then you're going to shot come out and kill the
And the
man.
man wanna go and kill him. You think we can't look on you until he lies, so?
Why is a lie?
Excitement happening in the lane, I'm gonna look. And the man I run towards me with him gun. When me need for to stand up, after me now audition for go up on money.
Alright, I'm going to take the case. You have to plead guilty in the line of self-defense. We're going to need some forensic evidence. My retainer fee going to be $1 million.
Look here. You're a grown man. You don't expect me to take care of you. Stop it!
Don't talk fast, you hear me? My wife I run me down for divorce, my backside. She don't want me to live comfortable so I can win the case. You want to go in that prison and mix up with the man and we have to be inside it?
Nothing wrong with that. 3 meals a day and enough rest.
And you look like you ain't needed to. Shibby, come here.
How about we have
Stop right there, someone. Me have to leave. Come.
I'm a black here.
Yes, come. Stay right.
Corporal! Let me tell you something.
You come!
I need for you to give my husband this.
Yeah, look behind you! Look behind you!
Oh my God, Bertram! Bertram!
How much features though?
You should have come to work early, you can't share.
Anyhow, I have something to tell you. I know you're a brave policeman. You're afraid of nothing.
No.
I mean, no, me ask me to me, I feel, yeah, but we.
Of course, I'm not telling you.
Because you know I make nobody fix step.
You're mad.
Trust me, man.
Eh.
Listen, from now on,
Yeah.
Baba need to go to my granddaughter.
Unless you want me to take care of it.
Hey, you see the boy, I come and, I want you to fix him up for me. Come on, you know you don't like him.
So what you want me to do?
Shoot him.
No, I'm not shooting nobody. I'm going too far now. I'm not shooting nobody. The boy don't even know you want to shoot. We want to shoot the boy for. You know so you wicked for sure.
But you really so wicked, man.
No, I'm always a dog.
I got me a talk, now I'm talking.
Are you me a
Are you me a talk?
I'm not shooting the boy. Fear is sick. Somebody pick me to man.
Yeah, what you want to shoot the boy?
Nah, big man. No, but she too wicked, man. Fear is sick. No way. We're not doing it. No way. No. No one. No.
Barbalita, I know these guys are cheap, so tell me, what's my bill?
About $5,000, 5.5 to be exact.
5,000, 5.5.
You know, I would never lie to somebody that I love.
They can keep the change.
Come on, friend. Hold me as well. Give me money. Give me
Barbalita,
your malfunction.
go sit in the car.
Give me money.
All right, sweetie.
I must buck you.
I paid Trevor a visit in prison. And based on the information he gave me, yo, Mr. Bashment,
Pay attention, the man that talk to you.
you better have my 12 million by next week Friday. Or else, you remember what happened to your bar? It might happen again.
Oh, Jesus. Look at me slung so I'm comfortable. I'm going to use it in my life. No, man. No. You don't see no training, you never report it. I can't stay with you.
It's the reopening of Bashment Entertainment Center. Let me help myself to a gym. Okay. Poppy showing them gang.
Bartender, pour me a drink, please.
They must be damn bloody.
Bar tough.
You're up. You're out for do. Get out for your drink. You're up. Come on, out for do. Out for do, man. Out for do. Mrs. Santa Claus. Oh my God, she's facially challenged. Me, she don't look good.
She younger than you.
Of Bashment Entertainment Lounge. Now, I personally want to apologize for the absence of Mr. Bashment.
And I will say a few words on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bashment could make it this evening. Fix 2 drinks here coming over here. Fix 2 drinks. Mr. Bashment could make it this evening because he had to go to the airport and meet his son Juki.
Hello.
Who flew in from Morocco.
Hello.
Now you know that Mr. Bashment. I am speaking.
This is not the courtroom.
I am speaking.
We're not deliberating here.
You have an axe to grind.
When?
Mind that axe don't grind you.
Oh, come on. Get away, Bam Bam Bigelow. Hey, got a girl, want a drink. Have a seat, darling. Have a seat, quickly, we're about to begin. Got to have a seat, darling. She's broke. All right. Okay. Now, as we were saying, welcome again to the reopening. Got to get settled, please. Welcome to the reopening of Bashment Entertainment Lounge. Now, there's a lady. already know. There's a lady in waiting.
Yes!
A lady from Southeast St. Andrew. A lady when this very club used to be in Kingston. She used to come and she used to support the bar.
Yes!
She's flown all the way to Montego Bay today to be a part of this grand celebration.
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, from the grassroots, I want you all now to put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Poor People Governor!
I'm so happy to be here tonight.
Yes.
Tonight will be a memorable moment for me.
Yes!
I'm not in the wrong speech.
Not at all.
Because I'm not in the House of Parliament. I'm not at the conference either.
No.
Because the last conference, gunshot fire, and MP shiver. So as I was saying,
Yes, Miss
I know. Oh my God. Peter.
Oh no.
What you doing here? I've beaten you so much time and still following me? Oh my God. I didn't know that. Babsy.
No, this is Gloria.
Babsy. Peter. One order.
No.
Whatever. Well, you know, I'm not here to represent the party.
No, at all, Miss P.
I'm here to party.
Yes.
So let's get it on.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Come down. Let's talk about control the kind of my face and I don't see her again.
Well, that's my fast, but we see her coming out one taxi.
Taxi?
Yes.
I serve shall come try to serve me, you know. We can't afford for divorce right now.
Yeah.
If she asks me, see, I am not here, wasn't here, I will never be here.
But cause the female bathroom Granny now. Miss Bro, you're also not a word. Miss Bro, it's the male bathroom Granny now. Hold your come on. What are them dirty people here,
Man, more piece of me have shot.
Piss on me like this!
Somebody need for piss in the shape like one eyeball.
Oh, God, no. You came in the room, in the bathroom, you saw me in the corner. And not only did you piss on me, you fart on me. I'm coming to laugh. No, man, this is height of liberty. These people owe me 2 months now for my loan. 2 months in arrears. And you come inside, you flatulated on me. You urinated on me. I need to control your bottom, man. Control your bottom.
How many are you there, sir?
come and make you a story, because you know my good feet down.
I choose my friend, you always bring it wrong.
Anyways, but see her husband still right there, right?
Yeah.
Then me tell him so she come in a one taxi. The man flirt down in the video bathroom. She rush her come in and shh. Run down in the video bathroom and look, she look you now, you know.
Yeah.
I still come take a charity.
I tell you, them are not the people in here, which for them run tired. The Baba, you love me.
Yeah, we love what we call be an excitement.
A nasty day. But she talk to you. You're fired.
Yeah, but we can't do it.
May I start over? But she talk to you.
Me and Abraham get serious.
Then how much man you wanna take so? Abraham also to Christopher Columbus after that. Where you have a story? The man tell you he's a criminal.
Him is not a criminal. Him is a businessman from New York.
Oh, you mean, my friend, defend your ball because I long time that was free. You, look here. Hey, girl. The only merchandise your man is securing is the one in your warehouse.
This is my merchandise. And I will not be coming to you for any stock taking.
Like how you're smart still, right there. You couldn't man to come to me. After me, I play cobweb room. You say me I walk a clean old house.
You know you take a joke too far now. You seriously take a joke too far. It's like you have to get some my name is Baba Lita Goodall.
And it no ring no bell.
And under no circumstances do I bow.
Me never say nothing about bowing. So if you plan to take your mouth on vacuum, sorry, me not carpet.
Furthermore, 2 weeks only not pay me no money. Now I not work for free, they not pay me.
No, you have one like your bad and dip on special vitamins, so jump up on Nana me. That girl, Nana.
What are the upper table for idiots, you know? I want you to pay me my money.
You get one in a maths measurement right. Suppose you make that touch me. Huh? I would have dust, yeah.
You know what? Me don't want none of the fire me up here, calm me quick. Come out and dirty place.
Me never have a problem with that. After we not gonna hear that's the work, Baba work. If you want to go, but on your way out, take off my clothes. You're still there to the speed where you are coming, never just stop like the by your highway. And me make it possible for you to look like this. So naked you come, naked you shall go. You're gonna make your a business me I do for the next year where I come get out of those. And then you talk. I said you take off that time and take out the
Alright!
things and it's hold it. Beg you for my twice. Give me my twice now, come now.
No, my birthday, give me this one.
Let me ask you again, beg you for my twice.
No, my birthday, give me this.
Your birthday got a long time, give me my twice. Give me it. Take it off, man. Outside and break, give me. Come on, Tris, we have your man, they make them spend by your man. Outside and bright. You're full of clothes, though, your boss, man. Hold your body, hold your body. Hold your body. I want your body a search.
Me not want nothing less for you.
Me not send there, when a young girl and nobody hide things like cupboard. Come on. Into the lights. Into the lights. Into the lights. Legs apart. Come on, man. Look like you're clean though, my friend. You never have nothing more from me that I like with you. Come now, man, give me now.
I'm a man by this game.
I meet if it over chair.
Yeah, look, I'm a man, give me this. Go on.
Oh my gosh.
What you want? What?
Give me that. Give me that. Not right, and feisty. Now, run, put down. Put up a man, them to spend Panama. Outside, and right. Shower wife, them up like them a figure read. Right, and feisty. That outside, that's the actual pumper in our back. The bar lock me now, so no come out!
Hi! It's me, Council.
Mr. Council, Mr. Excitement.
What kind of excitement?
Dirty Barbalita mount not get enough like in the construction site. We just have to strip the girl and run her. I do what you. Oh, God, that would be no so. He's all renovate you like water theater.
If that was my problem, I wouldn't have a problem. My wife, I run with them all over the place to give me divorce.
Look here, I'll take you to the past. I'm a full up.
You know that since she tried to divorce me, it's 4 divorce cases we second for client.
Oh, my case, look. I mean, then you look at that.
Your case look kind of murky. The chief witness, she dropped down dead, and the woman from the upstairs building said she wants something to open her mouth.
You're not supposed to pay people to testify, so come to me with that.
Did I say you must pay anybody to testify?
What you talking
You know what I mean? Some people getting people to testify, no? Like motivating them. So you're a police officer. A man in time when you see traffic violation on the road, you go to the man and say to him, give me your money, make I drop the charge.
I'm not so fool.
Okay,
What
good.
do you do?
What me do?
Don't let me tell you. 10,000 again, look, man.
I have a conscience, so man. A 550 woman I've been on, tread them over you take. No, if you get her to testify, you could be back in uniform in a couple of days and try the woman pick the school fees here.
So you never say so for me come in and you beat you on the bush, I don't like your style, you know. Don't move, me I get a number, you call for the whole lot.
You're a young police officer, and the other thing that you should know. Number 1, the law is of a shuttle. And number 2, I learned this from Monty Perkins. He who plays by the rule gets shafted.
Hey, morning, morning. I never beg you something for me. Over here, so full of crosses. Carry yours next door now.
Look like could have been a meeting.
You can smell from a distance.
So is this meeting about my money?
What money?
You know you look familiar. What your name? Rasta boy!
Yes, yeah! Yeah, I speak to that. Oh,
You don't mix me.
So you know me?
Where do I know that from? And I come out and come over drink every now and then. And I hear people talk. So I assume what talk about the eye.
You know, so you look like the lawyer boy will give evidence against chicken in an extradition proceeding.
Fire bun! I am chicken. I am strict vegetarian. And I never put no judgment also in there. Ban! It's last year I know that. Come we go burn down Babylon. Come we go burn down Babylon one more time.
I'm joking, man.
Cause it's soft, yes, it's
No, man, I'm
soft.
not meaning for treating
Yes, soft, yes, it's soft.
You don't feel so much less. Your old man is going to run to you.
Anyhow, am I 12 million I come back?
12 million?
No, man, I'm man.
Yo, white-head boy!
You know your kid is now 9 to 5. Look at who you ask for $12 million. If you had $12 million in a silver me account your check.
Yo, you get to understand, so your embarrassment responsible for my food. I need it like yesterday. Moag!
You have the grapefruit in your bag, that's spiritual. Mommy, we can't take it nice. Remember my blood vessel. When you find the money, you give me balance.
Yeah, let me tell you something. You're there on suspension. And you soon go to prison. I'm gonna need my money before you go to prison. Because if you go to prison, I'm gonna get the money. You're dead. And if you're on the road, I'm gonna get the money. You're still dead. So you can decide which part you want me dead.
She begin the money and about a day. Go.
I hear the dog going back hard about you.
So, who you be?
Ladies, sir. Me down at the studio, me hear about you now. So I hear the dog where happen. Anyhow, give me a drink for my you know.
Yo, Asian one.
Oh, Jesus.
We don't want nothing for drink from you.
Oh, we are called Asian man, dirty boy. Drop your pants and look at you see Asian one.
Yo. Let me tell you something. Me allergic to none.
You're too lies, me tell you that all that you're thief to your cheap.
Yo, right now all me want to hear about is my 12 million. So you, Mr. Shebada, tell Mr. Bashment I need my money before tomorrow. I ready to make preparation to meet him savior.
Oh, God.
You hear that?
Who me for them?
Mr. Bashment!
Where am I going to meet? Jesus, Savior. Sometimes you want that black cat to follow me. From your coming here. From your coming here.
Yo, mind how you raise up your voice, mommy, now.
Yeah, man, you go make it on boomer. What make you never tell me say no understand me and say me could I tell you different. My young mama shot.
Yo, how not go? How not go, sir? When I go to the home, I'm born down in this center.
Burn down your arm with a feeling fresh and dirty, boy.
Yo, I join you.
bag, you know. So no matter how you back, you know. We're afraid of you. Bigger man and you run on me and make them fall. So listen me, dirty boy. Chat to me back.
Granny, you go in first, like how your skin tough.
No, you can't.
No, man, go on and grab back.
Ain't gone.
You gone for sure?
Lee, listen boy, I fright you for. You really fright you? Me say, when I hear him say, tell Mr. Bashment! I'm frightened, you frightened. You think you ever say, see that? All you hear me say, chat to me back, chat to me back. I run there, running. I walk.
No, man, don't come up in my face. You're ugly non-stop, you know.
This serious now. Where are you going to take my
You think you're the original place now, baby?
You can't come about, you know.
Original bash this field.
Come on, ask for it in the front. Ah, you see the whole boy with trouble left leg?
Yeah, man, yeah, come
Make
on.
her put in there.
Yeah.
Where my eye night? I'm from me and you know said in there.
Sure, man.
All right.
I don't know why I must have punched now. I drive by, you know.
No, me not gonna
Bash your drive by. Nobody can't take bullet you want.
Hey! Hey! I mean.
Hi, Driva baby. Yeah. You know, so we hear them talk a while ago. They might put the money in the back of the van tonight. Yeah. Didn't think I would like somebody that I love. Yeah. All right, then I'll send you the credit. Every minute just my call and I beg credit. So what do you man?
Hello? Hello? Young man sitting here recalling you.
I was eating my lunch.
My God, you're so damn innocent people when you lie. Give this to Mr. Bashment for me, please.
Mr. Bashment is not here.
I'm going to ask you to give this to him for me.
And me say him no there.
And tell him for me. The place is now 4 months in arrears. If they don't pay that today, we're going to be seizing all assets, including you.
What?
Oh, you damn lordy. Bertram, is this you?
No, no, must me. Where is it could be?
My God, the only time I didn't walk with the divorce paper, dear God. Jesus have mercy, man. I've abandoned the matrimonial home.
Then if you are running me down to give me divorce papers, then I must abandon the matrimonial home. See me and no man, give it to me.
Bertram,
Give it to me.
you will be
I
served.
said give it
You
to me.
will be served.
When you will serve me?
Jesus, no
When you
paper.
lose your work because of the bad
That's
then we
my
have on the road.
business.
Or when the bank them fire.
My business.
Your friend just come and tell you that's not foolishness, but just see me at home and the yard. How you run me out of the house?
Bertram.
Me if I take taxi at the time going to the house, come pick up 2 pieces of clothes so we can get
And that's your choice.
You know I never give you money.
Oh, for crying out loud.
All I do is work hard for my 15 picking them and for my next wife. Why are you so jealous I don't know?
Jealous over who? You.
Because I'm coming home tonight.
No, you're not coming to my yard.
So you cook dinner for me?
I am not going to
I'm
do
coming.
that. Because you're
No
not.
matter of fact, man.
Bertram, let go of me. Let go of me. Bertram. Bertram. Bertram.
Eh?
Bertram, you eat.
You cook?
Bertram, you eat.
You cook?
Jesus, me say if you eat. Fish.
Yes. Sushi style.
When
I'm
you
serious.
don't understand what me I say.
Yes.
Me say me and Abraham in love.
Here, bro.
Yeah, my man, we're in love.
The one of the Bible. Eh?
Mr. Bashment, you know who me attack. The man wanna call dog.
Don't call Mr. Bashment again. You hear me say? Don't call me Bashment again.
So,
Listen to me. From now, use my grand picnic. Me and your granny. Anybody ask you who you live with, your granny. Who you stay with, your granny. You hear me say? to go there with boy who come from prison. Federal prison at that.
Don't talk about my man, so you don't know him. Don't do it.
Oh, Jesus. The girl face you. You know say girl out there. Back here me I talk to her. Eh? I me I talk to her. What the boy I give? The boy everything for you. Him I give you money. Well, if I give you money, I can give more than that. You see this place here? Belongs to me. And if it belongs to me, it belongs to you.
Yeah.
You see all the money I have in the bank? Belongs to me. And if it belongs to me, it belongs to you.
Yeah.
If I dead tomorrow, you get everything.
You got dead.
Oh. So you want me dead? You learn this. Trevor and Juki is history. And when we say history, don't take it for mystery. Okay. Oh, you tell the boy, say, I'm here, Shebada, what it is, huh?
I want something alone, I tell you.
Where tell him, sir?
I tell him, say, Mr. Bashment take money.
So what? Precious Jesus, pray for she. Tell him, so what?
After that, I don't know.
That.
The man that is funny, I don't want to come like you.
I'm going to show you say, we don't run joke. You understand? Wait, I don't run joke. Yeah, I'm going to run like him, find two, I'm going to chop. Wait a second. Wait a second. What do you mean? Mr. Waiter.
Bash not food, man. Bash it. Bash it. Bash it. Bash it. Stop that. Bash it. Bash it, man. Bash it.
How are you? Are you afraid you have to go for your... Listen. You know, Sir Babali, I'll prefer when you're done. Do me a favor. No. Watch. Hey, what is this?
Babalita, what you there, man? Let's go for a celebration.
Yes, be friend, be good friend. Hey, as we come on road, so we clock a case. Remember the boy who broke the bar? But only man lock him up. But the man get rid of him.
Why?
Me never process the crime scene, me just up on my lunchtime.
Let me tell you something. You want me your life, you know. I never got a case that court spread the eye ban. Don't do it again here, I tell you. I build back my reputation. I don't want to watch you Simpson thing reach.
No man, no friend. Me have them boy that lock. Trevor and after that, I forgot them.
We know him, you know.
Who you know?
Half of that.
Lord Jesus.
I get evidence against when I'm crony. I know they are prison. Leave them boy there alone here, man. Them dangerous. Don't fight fire with fire.
Oh God, the big man afraid.
Afraid? What am I afraid for? I do not call my name. I don't tell them something you're a liar. You hear me there? Because I feel more than I feel. Anyway, if some place nice, I can't have a friend and brother for a drink now. Whatever can have Willie Cup, have his mercy.
Yo, sit down.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Here, Ram, what you do? I'm not telling you nobody come down here with the foolishness, man.
Baby, step aside. Mr. Step aside!
No, God, the man says step aside. Step aside, that's what we get licked. Step aside. Turn up here, so just in case anything. Come here, man.
Here, Ram, I want to you, man.
What's your name? Ah, Jesus. Young boy, not them, I tell your name Abraham. Abraham Lincoln. 16th President of the United States. Took them through the Civil War. Oh, God. You know what I'm to him? Tell me you're a deportee, come on.
You know, that is a roundabout way of telling me you want to end up like the man who shot him.
I try to me, boy. I try me.
I want you.
Oh, you mean I want to me? Hey, man, anything I reach you first. Get in line, Baba.
Barbalita, leave the bar.
I'm not going nowhere.
You know, the good thing about psychology is that you can never stop being who you are. So it is impossible for you to hide the fact that you're a corrupt officer.
Jesus, your man so intelligent. A bright man, you take that time here. Whoa. Baba, you make it. But him alone study Muslim. The dictionary. And ninja man. A man only powerful when you control the environment. Look on your sentiment if you control nothing. And what do you? You depend. Baba, there's some miserable little one election, it have no government.
Abraham, come now, I'm ready.
Barbalita, go sit in the car.
Abraham, we don't want to for man.
Listen, don't question my instructions. Leave.
Hello? Sorry for the break in transmission. Baba, it look like a meeting time. We have to still why you always find a man them for meet you? He put you to sleep and it wake you up. Why you quit my palm for your Smyrna face?
Listen, I am normally a cool dude, even when I'm angry. But guess what? I am in no mood to listen to the likes of a coward police officer who is so deep in corruption that he can't even think of arresting me. Your days are numbered, and the sooner you learn that, is the more days you might get.
Be careful. Yes, you can't buy back yourself. Come like when I love somebody name in a Star Green and Observer. Whatever money I have, me not give it up to nobody. You could have come from New Mexico, New Jersey, or
Excuse me, mechanic.
Yo, sit up.
Because
you're guilty by association. I've been to prison. I've been deported. I've paid the price. So I'm here to collect what I paid for.
No, I have cooked fish for dinner, so I must go eat that fish.
Shut up! I'm not in your bird shop. You see serious something I'm going to saw. When you come up here for man, you don't disturb people and not throw them off. Make them lose their momentum. Instead of you sit down and you got your yard, you get up again. Chuck, come here already back.
That dough, man. So just give me my shit and let sleeping dogs lie.
Give what?
Give me my shit!
I ain't having diarrhea.
Well, I just take her back in the room and I'll be on this program. Let me go home and go. Come here and beg you. At 15 people, me have enough. 15 of them. I dread them pregnant. We can't afford to them now. We can't afford to them. Let me live this grandparents them go up, alright? Alright, come here and go on here. Me and go on a minute. I'm going to the same thing I go on inside.
Where you go?
Tiny.
Oh, Jesus, I think you did done in a man. Look here, me now switch on my answer like you, because my hand hurt me. So me I go beg you to come up some more so I rest my hand. Come, turn up. Give me your front. You not play fear. Come now, man. Come. You look like you're tired. We can't start this tomorrow again.
Yo, continue what tomorrow?
We can't continue. Man, me come to work tomorrow.
Yo, just run the money.
I'm going to tell you about your nose all. You know me don't like it. Don't skate it. No. Me can't get some of my money. Please and thanks. Look how long me I keep it.
Give me the 12 million, you can keep the 0.5.
And when me I do the point after me not write a sentence. 50-50. And bashing I get none. That's somebody full of wallop or something. Think about it now, please me, I beg you. Ting, 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 ding, 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 ding. Bang, 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 dang, 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 dong. At the dung party, give me the answer. Never watch Jeopardy here. Dung. Dung.
You know, that sounds like a damn good idea.
Oh God, what you say?
It sounds like a very good idea.
Thank you, Jesus, cause no bullet in this.
Not share!
No, me not.
How who says so?